everybody, welcome to my YouTube channel. Previous class we have discussed about different form of energy like sound energy, light energy, heat energy, chemical energy, potential energy, kinetic energy. Different type of kinetic energy, different type of what? Potential energy. And both potential and kinetic energy is a part of mechanical energy. Definition of energy and unit of energy, both CGS and SI unit. Clear? Understood? So SI unit of energy is what? Joule, whereas CGS unit is arc. 1 joule is equal to 10 to the power 7 arc. Very important thing. The SI unit is joule, whereas CGS unit is arc, and 1 joule is equal to 10 to the power 7 arc. How much? 10 to the power 7 arc. Understood? Today we will start energy transformations. What? Energy transformations from one form of energy to other form of energy. Understood? Let's see. Energy transformations. Suppose a piece of iron, what? Iron, the chemical formula symbol is what? Fe, ferrum. Okay, when iron is falling from a height, first if it is present at a height means what? It contains or it possesses potential energy. When it starts falling, the potential energy converted to which energy? Kinetic energy. Potential energy converted to which energy? Kinetic energy. When it is falling from a height, suppose it is at a height, means it contains or it possesses which energy? Potential energy. When it starts falling, potential energy changes into kinetic energy, and kinetic energy maximum, where it will be maximum? When it reaching just touch to the ground. When it just what? Touch to the ground. Clear? Next one. The running of a motor car, suppose motor vehicles, car, truck, our bikes, they are running or not? By the help of fuels, and that fuels convert into mechanical energy. And also you have seen the heat energy also generated, but the heat energy is what? Dissipation of energy which we don't want. That is what? Unused, useless energy. But the useful energy, which one? Mechanical energy. Which energy? Mechanical energy. Understood? So chemical energy is converted to what? Mechanical energy. Clear? Next, suppose you want to produce electricity from hydroelectric power plants. From where? From hydroelectric power plants we have in Hirakud Dam. You know that Hirakud dams. So what happened? The water is stored at a height. Suppose it is the dam. The water is stored at a height. This is water, okay? H2O. Here one whole like structure is there, means with a great pressure the water will move. With a great pressure the water will move down. Here it contains potential energy. Why? Because the water is at a height. The water is at a height, so it contains potential energy. Which energy? Potential energy. When it starts falling through the hole or through what? One pipe system. Pipe is not there. There is a hole is there. Big hole are there. Here turbine is there. What? Turbine. And that turbine will rotate. If the turbine will rotate, the axle which is connected to the armature of generator. Generator is also called dynamo. Generator is also called dynamo. That will, the armature of the dynamo also will rotate. It will also what? Start rotating. So it produces electricity, and that is transmitted by the help of our wire. Understood? So many big poles are there. Have you gone to Hirakud? If you have not gone, Go there and you see how that is producing, how hydroelectric power plants are working, how electricity we are generating from water. So from here, which energy? Potential energy is converted to kinetic energy. Kinetic energy is converted to mechanical energy. Mechanical energy is converted to electrical energy. Understood or not? Potential to kinetic to mechanical to electrical energy. This is called energy transformation. One form of energy to another form, to desirable form. Actually, we desire that one. Our desire is what? Electricity. From where? From potential energy stored at a height. The water is stored at a height. When it falls, it changes into kinetic energy. When it rotates the turbine, mechanical energy. It will rotate the generator, armature of the generator, that is also mechanical energy. Then it produces electricity. Then it produces what? Electricity. Next, that is also called hydroelectric power plants. That is also called hydroelectric power plants. Now roller coaster, you have seen our in Meena Bazaar, if any fair is there or any something is going on, there on roller coaster is coming, that one also, but potential energy to kinetic energy, because it is moving at a height, again coming down, in swimming pool area also it is there, understood? You are coming from a height like this, you are going. Clear? Next one. So potential energy changes into kinetic energy. Again kinetic energy changes into potential energy in case of roller coaster. Next one, the pendulum. Already we have discussed about pendulum. Pendulum also, when it is present at the what? At the mean position, it contains which energy? Kinetic energy. When it is moving to this side, kinetic energy changes into potential energy. When it is moving to down, again it potential energy changes into kinetic energy. Clear or not? Next one, work energy relationship. You see, I told you before also, if work is done, then energy must be there. If work is done by a body, then energy must be there. And both work and energy, the unit is same, that is also joule. The unit is same, that is what? Joule. Clear or not? When we rub our hands, if you rub your hands, then what happens? Heat energy produced from your hands. If you rub against the palm, you will rub, then what happens? It produces heat. So due to work only energy generated, that energy is what? Heat energy. Because you are doing work. Understood or not? In an electric iron or train, you know that electrical energy changes into which? Mechanical energy. By the help of electricity only it is moving, it is running on the track. Clear? Next one, when a body does some work, its energy decreases. Suppose you are running, then what happens? You are feeling tired, means your energy loss. Again you are eating something, you are taking rest, again you are getting energy. So if work is done, then energy decreased. Energy what? Decreased. When some work is done on a body, energy increases. See, work is done by the body, energy decreases. And work done on a body, energy increases. Work done by a body, energy decreases. And work done on a body, what? Energy increases. Understood or not? Next one, law of conservation of energy. The last part is what? Law of conservation of energy. And what is law of conservation of energy? Energy can neither be created nor be destroyed. Energy can neither be created nor be destroyed. Only it can change from one form to another form. Only it can change from one form to another form. That is called law of conservation of energy. In this case, pendulum case, here kinetic energy is maximum. Here potential energy is maximum. Only the energy changes from kinetic to potential or potential to kinetic, but energy cannot be lost. You cannot create, you cannot destroy. Understood or not? So energy cannot be created nor be destroyed. Only it can be transferred from one form to another form. This is your what? Law of conservation of what? Energy. Understood or not? This is all about your what? Energy chapter. Already we have discussed. potential energy, kinetic energy, different type of kinetic, different type of potential, muscular energy, chemical energy, light energy, sound energy, heat energy. Understood? Work energy theorem, SI unit difference. Understood? Again, law of conservation of energy also we have discussed. Clear? So while transferring or while converting one form of energy to other form, some undesirable form of energy also producing. Suppose lightening a bulb. Suppose bulb is giving us light. Along with when you will touch the bulb, what you are feeling? You are feeling hot. Why you are feeling hot? Why you are feeling hot? Due to heat. Means that heat is called what? Undesirable form of energy. That's why that is called dissipation of energy and degraded form of energy. Dissipation of energy or degraded form of energy. That is useless. We don't want that energy. Understood? While transforming one form to other useful form, some energy is converted into undesirable form. That is called dissipation of energy. Understood? This is all about your energy chapter. Clear? Thank you.